Not just verbal assurance, we want assurance in writing that they are going to redevelop all the 19 buildings. If we don't get the letter, we will not allow that to happen.
इनको ट्रांजिट कैम्प दिया जा रहा है कुर्ला में। हमारे बच्चे यहाँ सीख रहे, हमारा काम धंधा यहाँ पे, तो हमने उसका विरोध किया।
In a relief for residents living near the Elphinstone Road over bridge, the Maharashtra government has announced the redevelopment of 19 buildings in the area. The decision was made on April 28th following a crucial meeting between MMRD officials and residents. As part of the plan, all affected residents will be given new homes at the same location. However, residents of two buildings will be temporarily shifted to transit camps in Kurla during the redevelopment process.
अभी फिलहाल डिसीजन देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी से इनको एक प्रिंट्स आया है कि हमारे जो 19 बिल्डिंग्स थे वो 19 बिल्डिंग को हमारे ही जगह पे हमारे को रीडेवलपमेंट करके एमएमआरडी देगा। फिर एमएमआरडी चाहे किसी शाहपुर जी को करो या टाटा किसी को करना है वो उनका काम है, लेकिन फिलहाल हमारे लिए तो खुशी की बात यही है। लेकिन सिर्फ एक चीज़ ऐसी है कि जिसमें हाजी नूरानी और लक्ष्मी निवास इनको ट्रांजिट कैम्प दिया जा रहा है कुर्ला में। हमारे बच्चे यहाँ सीख रहे, हमारा काम धंधा यहाँ पे, तो हमने उसका विरोध किया है। और उसके लिए अगर हमें चाहे तो देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी से हमें कालिदास कोलमकर ने मुखर्जी साहब को बोला है कि इनको वहाँ ही रहते हुए, और हमने वहाँ पे इंक्वायरी भी की है। प्रियदर्शनी बिल्डिंग है दादर में, जिसमें यही जो बाधित लोग होते हैं व्यक्तिगत लोगों को वहाँ पे 22 रूम अवेलेबल है, जिसके 16 हम 10 है ना हाजी नूरानी के, तो हम वहाँ जा सकते हैं। वो एक ऑप्शन दिया। और दूसरा ऑप्शन दिया बीडीडी, वर्ली बीडीडी में आज जो नया हुआ है सब शाहपुर जी पालन जी ने की है, तो वहाँ पे कुछ 100-200 रूम भाड़ा को उनको सरेंडर करना था। तो हमको जो भी है वर्ली दे, ताकि हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पे उनको स्कूल और इसके लिए सब इजीली हो गए।
What we want is that they do it quickly because there are commercial spaces, there are shopkeepers, they can't wait idle for 5 years. It's not possible. In the current market, we need business every day to survive. It's basically fight for our survival.
The 125-year-old Elphinstone Road overbridge is set to be demolished to make way for Shevri-Worli Connector project. The bridge was initially scheduled to be closed at midnight on April 26th, but the plan was delayed following strong protests by residents, including those from two buildings marked for demolition.
Considering that there was so much of hue and cry about the stoppage and disclosure of the Elphinstone Bridge, they were going to demolish it. They are still going to demolish it, but they have taken us into confidence, which initially was not the case. Suddenly, just the GR was passed and we were shocked. That's why we had to, move to the street for justice. Not just verbal assurance, we want assurance in writing that they are going to redevelop all the 19 buildings. If we don't get the letter, we will not allow that to happen.
Mumbai Suburban Guardian Minister Ashish Shelar intervened, assuring the residents that their concerns would be conveyed to CM Devendra Fadnavis. Residents expressed satisfaction, saying they are hopeful that the government will follow through on its promises and ensure proper rehabilitation.
In the meeting, they have assured us that our place, like our 19 buildings, everything is going to get redeveloped, and we are very happy for that. Everything was done very nicely, and the meeting was successful.
100 सालों से हमारा जो पूर्वज यहाँ पे रह के गए वो वहीं पे हम लोग वापस से आएंगे। हम लोग बहुत खुश हैं।
We really request and pray to the government that please be more transparent. Either you redevelop it as fast as possible, or give us a very, very good monetary compensation, so that we will not complain. In fact, we will say in public that this is the best government Mumbai could have, Maharashtra could have.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.